हे एवरीवन, दिस इज़ मिज़ान अख्तर। आज हम क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करने जा रहे हैं इंजीनियरिंग मैकेनिक्स का प्रॉब्लम नंबर 11.108। सो ओके, सो द क्वेश्चन इज़ ऑन योर स्क्रीन। एज यू कैन सी, इट इज़ अ प्रोजेक्टाइल मोशन क्वेश्चन where we have to calculate two things actually. If the in the part A, if the pitch meets the maximum height requirement, and the B part, which is the height of the ball as it reaches the batter. Okay, so let's calculate, let's find out the solution. And so okay, so first we need to write all the given things that are given in the question. Okay, so I have already written. Okay, so this is all the values which are given: initial velocity, projectile angle, initial height, and the horizontal distance between bowler and the batter. Okay, so I have already made a free body diagram, roughly diagram. This is okay. So as you can see, this is the initial height, which is 0.6 meter, and this is the horizontal distance between to the batter, and this h is the so for the B part of the question, for the height as the ball reaches the batter. Okay, so let's find out the solution. So for the first part, okay, so for the ओके, सबसे पहले हम लोग जो हमारे पास हमें वर्टिकल वेलोसिटी जो हमें दी गई है, इनिशियल वेलोसिटी, उसको हम ब्रेक कर देंगे वर्टिकल कंपोनेंट और हॉरिजॉन्टल कंपोनेंट्स में. ओके, सो ये मैंने पहले से कर रखा है. एक्चुअली मैंने पहले भी रिकॉर्ड कर चुका था ये वीडियो का सोल्यूशन, लेकिन ऑडियो क्वालिटी की वजह से वो सही नहीं हो पाई है, जिसकी वजह से मैं इसे दोबारा से रिकॉर्ड कर रहा हूँ. सो अभी मैंने सारा सोल्व कर लिया था, लेकिन उसका ऑडियो क्वालिटी सही नहीं था. ओके, सो मैंने वर्टिकल हाइट और वर्टिकल हाइट कह रहा हूँ, वर्टिकल वेलोसिटी एंड द हॉरिजॉन्टल वेलोसिटी में मैंने इसे ब्रेक कर दिया है. ओके, सो फॉर द हॉरिजॉन्टल वेलोसिटी, विच इज़ 13 cos 33, दिस इज़ द प्रोजेक्टाइल एंगल. Okay, so this comes out to be 10.90 meter per second, and this is the vertical velocity. Okay, so also for the maximum height, we got a formula, which is y max is equals to y naught. This is the initial height plus y naught y. This is the vertical velocity, इसका square upon 2g. Okay, so we have put all the values in this equation. So 0.6, this is the initial height, plus 7.08, this is the vertical velocity that we have already found, upon 2g, which is acceleration due to gravity, 9.81 into 2. Okay, so after all these calculation, we got the value for the maximum height, which is 0.6 plus 2.55. This comes out to be 3.15 meter. Okay, so here the first part is completed. Now for the second part, we have to calculate the ball height as it reaches the batter. Okay, so before starting, we have to calculate the time as time taken to the ball as it reaches the batter. Okay, so for the time, it is x distance, which is bowler and batter distance, which is 15.2 upon this is the horizontal speed, which we have calculated, 10.90 meter per second. Okay, so after putting this in the equation, we got the time 1.394 seconds. Okay, so now we can finally find the y height. Okay, so this is the formula for the vertical distance, y is equals to y naught plus y naught y t minus half gt square. Okay, so after putting all this in this formula, we got the value of y. This is the height of the ball as it reaches the batter. Okay, so hope it helps this solution. I know this is too roughly, but hope you understand. Thank you for watching.